In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the engagement rate on GA4. Navigating Google Analytics 4, or GA4 for short, can feel a bit daunting at first, especially if you're making the switch from its predecessor, Universal Analytics. However, understanding your website's engagement rate is crucial, as it gives you insights into how effectively your content captures your audience's attention. Today we are diving deep into GA4 to extract this valuable metric. Let's start this journey by opening our web browser and heading over to Google Analytics. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of GA4. Here you are greeted with an array of reports and data overviews, but to find our engagement rate, we need to go to a specific area called Explore. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see the navigation menu. Click on Explore. This brings you to a workspace where you can create custom reports. It's a powerful feature of GA4 that allows for deep dives into specific metrics and dimensions of your website's data. Now you're in the Explore section, but to start analyzing our engagement rate, you must initiate a new exploration. You'll notice an option labeled Blank. Click on this to open a clean slate for your analysis. This blank report is your canvas, and you are the artist ready to paint the picture of engagement across your website. Once your blank template opens, look for the plus icon near the top of your screen. This icon is the gateway to adding metrics to your report. Clicking it reveals a drop-down of various metrics you can analyze. From traffic sources to user demographics, the list is extensive. But for now, our focus is engagement. In the metrics menu, begin typing session into the search bar or scroll until you find it. Click session to add it to your report. Sessions represent the number of times users have been actively engaged with your website. It's a fundamental metric that GA4 uses to calculate engagement rate. Next, you'll want to specifically add the engagement rate metric to your exploration. Similar to how you added the session metric, search for engagement rate in the metrics menu and select it. This metric is particularly insightful as it gives you the percentage of sessions that were considered engaged. By Google's standard, an engaged session is one where the user spends at least 10 seconds on your site, views 2 or more pages, or performs a conversion activity. It's a clear indicator of content that resonates with your audience. After you have added both session and engagement rate to your report, it's time to confirm your selections. Look for the Confirm button, usually found at the bottom or top right of the screen, and click it. Congratulations, you have now successfully set up your report to analyze your website's engagement rate. With these metrics added, GA4 will generate a report showcasing your website's engagement rate. This report not only highlights the percentage of engaged sessions, but also allows you to dive deeper into understanding which aspects of your site capture the interest of your visitors most. Remember, the engagement rate is a crucial metric, but it's also important to look at it in context. Compare it across different periods to detect trends, or segment the data by traffic source, device, or user demographics to uncover deeper insights. This level of analysis can provide actionable insights into how you can further optimize your site for better engagement. Analytics, especially in the context of GA4, is a continuous learning process. The more you play around with different metrics and dimensions, the more insights you'll gain into your audience's behavior. And understanding your audience is the first step in creating content that truly resonates. I hope this guide has demystified the process of finding the engagement rate on GA4 for you. Remember, each metric tells a story about your audience and their journey through your website. By leveraging the power of GA4, you can ensure that this story leads to a successful outcome for both you and your visitors. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Experiment with different metrics, stay curious and happy analyzing.